Hello, my name is Andrea Sani and I'm Regional Sales Manager with AWR Corporation. I'm here to show the recently released link with the software HFSS by Ansys. So this is an example of an LTCC board designed in AWR. As you can see, we have the schematic level design, designed using the HiNets technology. We have the layout of the structure as well as the three-dimensional representation. This is a 4 layers LTCC. You can see that there are some surface-mounted components. So I can analyze this structure using the AWR circuit level simulation as well as our planar Axiom EM tool, or like has been requested by many customers that, to actually have a link in order to interface and send the design from the AWR design environment onto the Ansys HFSS simulator. So how do we do that? So if I want to analyze these boards using HFSS, what I would do is, on the AWR side, I would add ports. I have already defined all the layers, all the materials on my structure. And here are the locations where I had surface-mounted components. I defined some ports. The boundaries are already defined. And if I go with a right-click, export to Ansys HFSS design, what it does, it dumps several information onto an XML file. You can see the XML file here. So in this file, there are information regarding the geometry, so the layer structure, regarding the material properties, ports, boundaries, and frequency settings of the simulations. So we currently can actually export layer structure as well as some three-dimensional parametric cells, such as bond wires and ball grid arrays. So once I generated this XML file, I go on the Ansys HFSS side, I open on the file, import AWR Microwave Office. I import the XML file into Ansys HFSS, and here is the design. So you can view it in 3D. So this is design that has been passed through from AWR onto Ansys HFSS. This is not just geometry, it's actually a project ready to be simulated. So I just use the validation check provided by Ansys HFSS, and you can see that this is a project that I can directly simulate without the need of doing any additional functions. So what happens now, I cannot do the simulation real time of this complex project, but once I run the simulation, I can actually bring back the results. The S parameters are automatically brought back into the AWR design environment. So what I can do, now they are here in the data tree, so I can create a new sub-circuit and assign to this sub-circuit the S parameters data file generated by the Ansys HFSS simulation. And like in this case, what I've done, I've used the symbol wizard provided by the AWR to create a symbol that resembles the layout of my module. And as you see, there are some ports. I can reattach my capacitor, circuit level model of the capacitor of my SMD components.